Yes, Bob. Yeah. You're working on the railroad. Cool. Well, we'll come up and see. I'll come up and see, okay? Whoa. You okay, Bob?
Mama,
Yes.
come up there and see. Come on up there and see. How's it look?
Okay, will you take me there?
Yeah, come on. Here, hold the stick.
Okay, I got the stick. Don't let me trip on anything.
Whoa. That's a bike. This bike. This that one.
Here's the bike.
The other side looks cool.
There's Mikey. Going out to help his dad mow the lawn. Who is that? Michael! Michael! Mike! You counting? Who was that masked man? What the heck? Actually, that's not a bad idea. You think it's going to help, Sal? Kinda goofy. On Lake Crescent. As you can see at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, it's June 18th, 1993. What's going on over here? Let's see if we can recognize any of these people. There's Mikey, Irv,
I think it's on this side in there.
Papa,
This side, outside.
the back of Annie,
No, the other side, I'm
Surfer
pretty
House,
sure.
and the Bobster.
Can you go see if you can find Mikey's life jacket in there?
Okay, I could do that. Okay, folks, be back in a minute.
I'm going there.
Where? Tell me what that is with your voice. I can't see.
I'm going with Papa.
For a ride?
Yeah,
In what?
the boat.
For a ride in the boat?
Yeah.
Okay, you listen to Papa. You sit down and you hold on, okay? Who are you going with?
Irv and Papa.
Irv and Papa? Okay, you're in good hands then.
Let me see. It's gonna be a little windy out there, so we're gonna do this.
These are flotation.
Is that a bird?
Yes.
How big was it? Seagull.
Okay.
Seagull spill.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready, Leaf? Are you guys ready? We're ready.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Wait a minute. I don't know if I'm Huckleberry or Leaf.
Say bye-bye, good Papa.
All right. Well, we're gonna go out and get some deep water.
Hey, Nana.
Here now, Nana. I guess he doesn't want those anymore. Bye, Mike. Would you wave goodbye to me, honey?
Can you see him? Yeah,
No. I can't. Mike, will you wave goodbye to me? Okay, goodbye. Have fun.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Moti's not behaving. Brag about that to Hatsu. It's okay, they have oars.
Wow. Oh, what?
Careful, Babo.
I'm going to boat.
Oh.
You can go in the boat next time.
When they come back.
Can you blow me a kiss? This to me. To Mommy. Give Mommy a kiss. Give a kiss to Mama. To Mommy.
Papa.
Say goodbye, good Papa. There they go.
That's the ultimate lazy. We're going around.
There's Papa.
Hi, good Papa.
Oh my God.
Well, in case you're wondering what that mess was, Bobby fell in the water.
Oh, I'm gonna get yelled at. It's gonna be
But
my
he's
fault.
okay.
I
It was
know
just a few inches of water. He got very cold and very scared, and he's okay now. And so is Nana. And so is Ann. Well, we're going to go get him some dry clothes, so we'll catch you later.
I had taken the scissor out of the sewing.
Funny how that orange thing, yeah. Orange whiskey thing. Yeah. What? In the water? Let me see. You're not going to get in the tree, are you?
Mike, be careful of the trees, please.
We'll have a video of Bob walking.
Yeah.
Bobby!
It makes the same kind of splash.
And here's the second swimming episode of
Bobby! Where are you?
Them ducks can do it, so
Oh,
okay.
he's coming.
There's a duck over there, honey. Where are you? Go get him, Bob.
It's a duck of a different color.
The ugly duckling.
Here, Bob, give this to the ducky.
Where'd he go?
Bob.
Why isn't this working? Now it's working. This isn't a good angle because the duck is.
Just hope they don't taste anything, so. It's wax and it's wood chip.
Is that dangerous next to the gas?
What?
The fire?
Famous
You know, when you
words.
have fire in here next to the gas. When you have fire in here.
Depends on who's barbecuing.
No.
Michael, you need to ask because there's a hook on that fishing pole. Michael, stop it right there.
That
Chloe's and me?
I gotta get Irv.
You Michael, stop!
Mama, get it for me.
Daddy's coming.
Thank you, Dad.
Be careful of that hook.
That started trouble, for sure, for sure.
Coming, Irv.
Aw, do you have a hurt foot? Somebody hurt your little foot. Are you gonna be okay? Did you see the one with the hurt foot, Dad? He's right there on your right to the diagonal. It's a girl. Yeah. The bouncer. The dadster. There you go. Say.
Track, track.
What does a cow say?
Funny that he came attention to it. You think that.
What does a duck say? What does a duck say? You want bread?
Quack, quack. Track, track. Getting chilly. Wish I had a sweatshirt. Mickey Mouse sweatshirt in there that
I've been hearing about a Mickey Mouse
fits everybody in there.
I got his sweatshirt on.
Mickey Mouse sweatshirt that fits everyone from
Bobby, why
Bobby
don't you
to...
dance with the ducks? Go ahead.
Dance with the duck.
Go dance with them. Go tell them. Don't tell my heart. My achy, breaky heart. What is it?
Bob took a little bite out of the bread. Nice thrower.
Yeah, no kidding. Got duck food fingers. Okay, Doc. Just a couple more.
Ready? Almost.
I hit it though.
Toss it to me. Don't hit it like that because it'll never get to me.
And if Ann throws it, you know it'll never get to me.
Holy mackerel. Whoa. All right, Mike.
Are you filming?
Yeah, no, you're not in the way though. Go ahead.
She just doesn't want to be in the film.
Aww.
No, I got it pretty close up on Michael right now. You're okay.
Okay, ready, Slugger?
Yep.
Bend your knees a little bit.
Look at Bobby. He's hurting the duck.
Okay, ready?
Whoa, that's cutting, Mike.
Throw it back to me. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, you might blow up and kill this man. Ready, Slugger? Stay right there. Too close to me, and I'm closer to them. It'll brighten up the picture.
We're cooking marshmallows.
Watch, you almost hit your brother.
Mike,
Bobby's our alto.
what happened, Bob? Oh, blow it up.
I did it.
Right.
Yeah, Papa.
Oh, Bobby's is on fire, huh?
I'll blow it out.
Mike, you gotta stay away from the fire.
How was that?
You do that, you're gonna look like this.
Look at those raccoons, Mike.
I wonder if it's light enough over there to get him.
Or who's eating them? I'm not gonna eat them.
Yeah, nobody wants to be one, Mike.
Burn it off, Mike. Burn the end off in the fire.
It's kind of dark.
Can you get them? Yeah, that's probably too dark.
We could try.
They're right by your feet, you dummy. You're stepping on them. They're right there. What chicken livers?
Your friends are animals, or
Yeah, real animals.
They're banditos. Who wants to cook tonight? Let's take maybe a stick there. That's pretty long. Maybe I'll have one. Okay, let me work you in now.
I'm running out of battery here.
Taking it out of the trees.
Yeah, do it over here by the sun. I'm taking it away. I'm tired.
Otherwise you get it stuck again up there. Reel it in. You can't throw it out unless you reel it in.
Because I think they're pretty.
What? And there's just too wide.
Thank
I don't like the wide.
Okay. I threw it in.
Papa?
Yeah. See the mountain spot? How nice they look up there? Oh, the mountain trees up there. Well, we'll have to cut that off.
Why?
Maybe Mommy could bite it off. I couldn't see how far it was gone. I don't know if it was his skin or his nail.
It's his nails, both of their nails really need to be
Yes.
cut.
Look at this thing. It's on a tree.
Say hi, Mike.
What?
Hi. I want to get closer, but I don't want to scare Irv's friends away. There were two of them.
Ask your mother that.
They're both gone.
Well, you have to ask Mommy when Papa comes back if you could go back in the boat. I don't know if you're allowed in the boat.
Well, I don't see what the difference between him and Mikey being in there is.
I don't know if you think that.
Yeah, that's true. What's his name, Irv? What's his name? There's his friend there.
Yeah, I know it. He chickened out and he missed out on all the food. You are chicken liver, you are chicken liver, chicken liver, chicken liver, chicken liver, chicken liver. Forevermore. Flavor is chicken liver.
Where is Nana?
Tell Mommy you're on the boat.
Where is Nana?
I went and stole that one last night.
This morning, Bob. You did this for 3 hours this morning. Made me crazy.
You don't feel good, this baby.
Yeah, I'm willing to bet that tomorrow he'll be on antibiotics when he starts with the fever and the coughing. I hope not. I hope not. You want me to pick you up? Call me Mama. I'll pick you up if you stop moaning.
Ma, you want a drink? Nothing?
I have some soda in that cup over there. I
Matt,
did.
do you want something?
No, I've had some.
Mikey's high, Chef.
Don't get too close. Takes his stash and runs back to his hotel. There's an area down there that isn't very well inhabited in the water. It's so clean, you can see right down to the bottom. It's gorgeous. I'd love to have this. Just for your neighborhood. Don't even have to have a house there. You want apple? Yo, duckies. Yo, duckies. Hi, duckies. Yo, duckies. You duckies like me? Oh, you do.
Very good, I'm 2. How big is Bobby? Stay there. Stay right there. Don't go any further. How old is Bobby? A ducky? What does a duck say? What does a duck say? What does a cow say? Good job. What does a cow say? And what does a kitty cat say? What does a kitty cat say? Oh, that's a lamb. A lamb says, bah. And what does a cat say? How big is Bobby? How big? Look at Mommy. Look at me. Hi, Mike.
Did you get him?
Tell us what you have.
Oh, a frog. Oh, frog.
Where'd you find him?
I got him in the grass.
Stand still. Stand still. Let me take his picture. Keep your hands still.
Yeah, don't hurt it.
Be real gentle with him. Whoop.
Walk. What? I see
Very gentle with him.
walk. Did you get him?
I got him. Tell us about that frog.
I'm gonna keep it.
Where does he live?
On grass.
What does he eat? Do you know?
Yeah, we'll feed him every day. He eats grass, but we feed him every day.
I think he eats little bugs too, lots of little bugs. I don't think he'll live if we keep him, honey. I think he'll be much happier
Flock.
if you just let him live in the trees and the grass.
Flock.
Do you want to give him a name before we set him free?
Flock. Maggie. Little
Bobby, what does Mikey have?
flock. What?
Yeah, they said they were gonna.
Will you talk to them?
Mm-hmm. Gentle with the frog. Don't hurt him, honey.
I'll call him Michael.
You're gonna call him what?
Michael.
You're gonna name him after yourself?
It's a flock. Yeah.
I think he likes you. Keep your hand real still.
The flock. It's flock. He likes me.
What does a frog say, you guys?
What?
Or a ribbit?
Flock.
Make a frog. What are you doing, Bob? Hi. Kids stay at the firehouse.
I didn't figure people would want hot dogs and soda pop for breakfast.
Probably not. There's cookie and punch.
What do you think, Mike? You think it's pretty cool? No? Not too cool? You want to go over to that house with me and see what's going on? No?
But where's Ashley's dad?
He's home with Ashley. What do you think, Bob? Tell me what that is. Tell me what it is, Bob. Bobby? What is that? What kind of truck? A fire engine?
Look at that.
Who's that? That's the crash dummy.
Wow.
He's a crash dummy. You know what a crash dummy is? They use him in pretend accidents to make sure the cars and seats are safe.
Okay.
I'll
Look again.
come with me.
You want to go back in the closet?
I have a fireman. We don't have a safety room.
Oh, Al. Keep the door open, sweetie. Today we're driving the door open.
I got the horse there.
Grab hold of the bar.
Hi, Dorothy. Excuse me. There he goes. Hi, Bob. What do you think? You want to wash it and wax it? Where'd you go? How do they clean it? Yeah. It would be a pretty big job, don't you think? Can you brush his hair to the side? Let me see. How do you do that? What do you think they do up there when the truck is moving?
I don't know.
I think they probably get strapped in. You see the seat belts?
Yeah.
So it makes sure they're safe.
Standing up?
Sitting down probably. I think some of them stand up though. I'm not sure.
Down here.
He's the one on that sword movie.
Is he in a sword movie?
Yeah.
He's a crash dummy. Hi, Bob.
So yeah.
He was very serious. You want to go in the fire? Hi. What's your name?
Christina.
Christina. You're having fun? How old are you?
6.
6. So you're going into first grade? Wow. In Wolfley? So you just finished kindergarten then? Was that fun? Did you have a fun year? Michael's going to kindergarten next year.
Okay, come on, Shane.
Bye. Okay.
We have a camcorder, and we just... Do you think that they will let it go? Okay, come on out.
Just don't touch any buttons.
He doesn't want me to drive.
I got one here.
What else do you need to be set?
I'm set. Need food cooked. About it. Need help, Mike?
Bye.
We're gonna go over to the firehouse.
What are you doing?
There we go.
Good work. Do you want to go climb up that ladder?
I'm not doing it yet.
You don't have to. I just thought it might be fun. Do you want to try on that jacket and hat?
No.
Okay. Don't touch anything in there.
Good girl.
Finger, Mikey, welcome to there. Maybe textbook. Look, that is Mikey textbook. Okay, well, I think it's time for us to hit it.
Okay.
You see it?
No, I can't see you. Show me a happy face.
You don't want to? Want to get up there with Kyle and look at the fire truck?
Hi guys.
You know, you can go in that house and not climb the ladder. You can just go in the bedrooms. Do you want to do that?
What'd you think about
Hey, you want me to hold the pencil? Okay.
You could just walk up the stairs and go in the bedroom. Do you want to try that?
Kyle. Hey, Kyle.
Daddy will come with you. I'll come with you.
Daddy will.
Okay. Come on down. You need help getting down, or you're okay? Pretty high up there in a fire truck, huh? Kind of like the motorhome.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Is it?
You want to go look inside? Come here.
I was inside.
Were you inside there?
Yep.
Is it pretty neat?
Yeah.
Come here, Kyle. You want to go look? Look right there.
You need help getting down, Mike?
See
Let's
it?
go find Dad and Bobby.
Oh, Mommy.
He wanted you to bring him in. I offered, but he wanted you to bring him in. I offered, but he wanted you to bring him in.
Hey, Ryan. Want to go inside the fire station? Hey. Okay, here we go. It's full. Hey!
I don't know. Want it?
Yeah, throw it back to Daddy.
You want it, Bobby?
Good girl.
I want the blue batch.
Ready? Don't close your eyes.
Let's go, Daddy.
Oh, missed.
My turn. I got the ball. Mama.
Come on, Bob. Here you go. Here you go.
I want to get a turn, Daddy. I ain't turn.
Bobby will time search. Ready? Ready, Bob? Okay, ready? Oh, no, you gotta swing the bat. You gotta swing the bat.
Bobby,
Here, wait. Let me show you. Mikey pitched one in for us. Let me help you. Let me just help you.
See if you can hit this one.
All right, forget it. Bobby doesn't want me to help him. That's kind of fast.
Here. Come, Mama. Come, Daddy.
Okay.
Now, what about me, Dad?
One more for Bobby and then Mikey's turn.
Mike, Michael.
Ready, Bob?
Bobby likes that purple bat.
You ready?
What was that?
That
Ready,
soft
Bob?
purple bat.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Go look for it.
Oh! Hit it, hit it. Hit it, Bob.
Good throw. This is our wonderful
Okay, I'll
July
throw it.
weather. Everyone's in long pants.
Oh!
It's probably about 65 degrees. At least it's not raining. Great, great summer we're having here.
I can't even find it.
Let's see if we can get a shot of Mikey hitting a home run, and then I'll go finish dinner.
Okay, we gotta get Bobby.
Bobby, where's the big bat?
Bobby, get the big red bat.
The big bat.
Michael, let's find the purple bat. Where's the purple bat?
I don't know. There's a purple ball.
Michael, I'm sitting here not saying a thing. I've got it all on tape and I can play it back and punish you later. Both of you. I want to see you cooperate, please.
Mom's not even giving me the blue bat.
I understand that's your favorite bat, but he sees you hitting it all the time and he never gets a chance.
Let Daddy try.
There's a long box on the floor where the bats were in.
Let Daddy try the bat. Ready? Okay, ready?
Hey, Bobby. Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton.
Good throw.
Bobby.
Yeah, I see the kitty cat.
Bobby. Clinton. No, you're not going to do it. He says not Clinton.
Ready? Okay, let's get Mikey a turn.
Bill Clinton.
Mikey's turn, Bob. Here. Mikey's turn.
I got to go check that pork.
I'll go check it then, and if he's not ready.
See him. Open. Let's go. There goes running in our
Stay in, Michael.
I want to see him.
Stay inside, Michael.
I'm trying to look at him.
Damn
I'm
dog.
busy, Mama. I'm trying to get my head. Oh, he's gone, Mama.
He went
He's
home.
gone, Mom.
He went home. How many warnings does it have to be?
Still.
Hi, Bobby. What do you have there?
Blue.
You have a blue balloon?
Mama,
Yeah.
I have some pink.
I'm coming to see.
Mama.
I'm going to video from up here. Show me your balloons. What kind of balloons are they?
And pink.
What kind of balloons are they?
And red.
You're telling me the colors, but what's inside those balloons?
Water.
Water. So what kind of balloons are they?
Water balloon.
Yeah. What do we usually put inside balloons?
Air.
Uh-huh.
I like the water balloons better.
What do you do with a water balloon? Yeah, they might pop on the grass. Sometimes the grass is sharp and it pops a balloon. How many do you have left? Just 3 left?
Yeah.
So if I give you 2 more balloons, how many balloons will you have?
4.
Count it. You have 3, let me see 3 fingers. And if I give you 2 more, let's see 2 more fingers on the other hand. Count them. How many would there be?
Oh, 5.
So 3 plus 2 equals?
5.
Excellent. Now you have 3 balloons. What if
Give me one more, Mama.
if I give you 1 more, how many will you have?
I'll have 6.
You have 3 balloons. If I give you 1 more, how many will you have?
6
3.
plus 2 is 1.
You're playing games with me now,
3
huh?
plus 2 is 1.
one, Mama.
3 minus 2 is 1.
Mama, if you give me one more balloon, then that's it.
Then what do you mean that's it?
Can you give me the balloon?
That's Bobby's.
You can have one of mine.
Well, that would be up to him.
What?
That would be up to him if he wanted to trade. You got your bike in the pool, Bob?
No.
This pool up here is warm water. We brought warm water in from the house.
No.
That one is icy cold water.
Bobby, here.
And we are waiting
Bobby.
for the sun
Here.
to warm that pool. It has been beautiful weather these past few days. Into the 90s. Cool at night. Too bad we had to wait till August for it.
Mama.
Yes, Mike.
It's all right with Bobby. He's got the pink one now.
He doesn't mind?
No.
Okay.
Look,
Okay.
I got the blue.
Now, let me see your fingers. You have 3 balloons. Let me see 3 fingers. And if I give you 4 more balloons, let's see, 4 fingers on the other hand. 4 plus 3 equals...
What?
Count them. 4. Let me see 4. Let me see 3 on the other hand. Count. 4 plus 3 equals?
7.
Very good.
Can you give me 7 more?
7 more? I'll be in there all afternoon blowing up balloons. Now, pretend you had 7 balloons, and I took away 1 balloon. How many would you have?
I 2. 2.
7. Whoops, Bobby popped his.
How come?
I think it was an accident.
How'd he do it? How'd he do it,
Yeah.
Mama?
Hey, Bobby, did your balloon pop?
No. No?
No? What happened?
I'll give him 1 more.
Aw, isn't that nice? Bobby's balloon popped, so Mikey, his very big brother, who always makes us proud, is being generous and giving his brother another one. Here, Bob.
Might be a balloon.
Here's a balloon for you. Are you afraid of it now? Uh-uh.
No?
No? How old are you, Bob?
2.
2. Will you count for us?
I'll take it.
Will you count for us, Bob? 1.
2. Do you want the balloon or not, Bobby?
Yes, he does want it.
I don't think he does.
Ah, Bob, get that out of your mouth. Michael, take that away from him. Can you reach it?
Where is it?
That rubber. Can you reach it? The other little piece, too.
Where?
Right there.
Want balloon, Bobby?
I see your belly.
I have 2 more left, Mama.
2 left.
Hey, Mama.
Thanks, Thanks, Bob.
Mommy, he wants you to hold it.
Thank you. Hey, Bobby. I love you.
Mama.
Bobby. I love you.
I'm showing the balloon. Is my bubble and have?
The bubble have what?
Mama, can you give Bobby his balloon?
Here's your balloon, Bobby.
He wants a balloon.
Here, Bob. Here's your balloon.
Bobby. I think he wants to take all of mine, but I won't let him.
No, he can't have them all.
Mama.
Well, he can have 1, though, can he? Let's count together. 1.
Mama, can I have a... Bobby, I take a balloon. I want a ball and a half.
I want a bobble and a half. I think it means the bobble wants to have that balloon.
These balloons are icy cold.
Here, Bobbo. Your balloon is up here if you want it. I'm going to set it right here on the table for you. Okay?
And Mama, I'm sleeping with those 2 balloons. Hey, Mama.
In your bed?
Yeah. Hey, Mama.
Thank you. What do you want me to do with this? You just want Mikey's balloons, huh?
But you can't have mine, Mama. Mikey, give the balloon to me.
No, this is his. I'm going to let it float in his water.
Okay. It doesn't have any grass in it. Hey!
Hey,
No, that's right.
can I see you splash?
Oh, I see that.
Can I see you splash?
No!
Please? Throw the balloon, Bobby. Throw it. Splash.
And the bubble is blue. Mama, Maggie, Maggie. And the bubble is blue.
Don't let the water out, Mike. Don't let that water out, honey. Later on, when it gets warm, I'll put the slide in there for you. So you could slide and go splash. Is it getting any warmer? Well, while I have the video camera out, why don't you sing a song for me?
Maggie, B, C, D, Maggie. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Maggie, S means fall, Mama. Maggie, Q, R, S.
Bobby, do you want to go down there?
W, X.
What are you doing, Mike?
Put the chair up. And I'm going to put them right here. There. Fine. Now the balloons are fine. I'm going to sleep.
You going to sleep? Okay, good night. I love you.
I want to look in there.
I'm putting it away. Say goodbye.
But before
You can't touch it when you're wet.
I'm not going to touch it.
All right, here, you look it up at the sky. Can you see the sky?
No.
What do you see?
I can see nothing.
What noise do I hear?
That's this TV. That's this. I'm going to put it down.
No. Don't you go bullying this. Oh, I hear the horse. Goodbye, Bob. Good night, Bobby. Good night, Mike. Okay. Thank you to everyone for coming, and thank you to Chef for hosting this Christmas Around the World demonstration today. I'd like to, well, I don't have to say that. We guarantee 100% satisfaction on every item that is purchased. If for some reason you're not completely satisfied with any item, mail it back to the company within 30 days. There's instructions on the back of your order. Where are we, honey? On the boat?
It's a little bumpy in here.
There's waves.
It's okay, Mike. Don't be nervous.
It's always a little bumpy in a boat.
Hi.
Hi.
It's steep.
This is Mikey, Bobby, and Annette's first time on the boat.
It's too fast.
Very. See how much safer this boat is, Annette, with the high guns here?
Uh-huh.
But that's the big ferry, Mama.
Yes, baby.
It's too fast.
We're going too fast? You want to go faster? No? Okay. I'll take more pictures later.
Look at the camera.
Wait.
sailboat. You look way out there, you'll see Seattle.
Hey, Papa, I can see
Over there is
those.
Jefferson Beach.
Huh?
And over there, way out there, you see those houses way over there?
Yeah.
That's Edmonds.
Where's over there? The duck.
Over there is Everett.
And where's behind, in front of us?
That's Kingston.
Bobby,
Oh, is that where we're going?
are you happy?
The boat.
Are we on the boat?
Hey, Papa,
What?
why don't we go for another ride?
We're going to relax a little bit here.
Hey, Papa,
Yeah?
when we go to Kingston, we'll take another ride. Look at these big waves. I didn't know waves can handle boats. So come. Look how it's drifting a little bit.
We're just drifting with the wind and with the tide.
Is it high tide? With the boat.
I think it's low tide.
Hey. Papa,
Yes.
I see a boat.
You see a boat? Yeah, way over there.
Hey, Papa, I see a flatboat over there.
Well, look at that boat over there. They're fishing. They're trolling.
Yes, so are we.
See them, Bob?
Papa, so are we.
I disconnected the canvas and then connected this.
It focuses much better on things in the boat because the camera going up and down doesn't have a chance to focus really. Probably at a distance. I want to take a picture back that way.
I'll turn the boat around.
Well, when you start it,
Okay.
it'll probably turn by itself eventually, huh?
Papa,
You guys can get up and walk around because it's pretty safe. It's pretty high sides. You don't lean over the side. Yeah, no. You just wash and leave it around. All we gotta do is go out on it once. It's a mess. Come to sailboat.
you can go right past us?
Uh-huh.
Right. How come it's faster?
Sailboat is propelled by wind. It has a small motor that it uses when the wind isn't blowing. But now the wind is blowing. You see the sails? See how puffy they are? The sails catch wind and it propels the boat forward.
Papa, is that or that? Is that the ferry boat or that guy? Who's that?
Look at a doggy on that sailboat. See it?
Wow, you have two
Look
dogs.
at the dog and that. It's got a life preserver on it.
Cute.
Hey, Papa, is that the one you saw last
Yeah,
time?
the dog has a life preserver on too. Whoops.
Papa, I want to start driving.
Sit there.
I want to drive.
I wonder if I
Papa,
can.
I want to catch one of these.
There's North Star, that building in the center there. That's where Sal works. I can see his office.
Where is it, Mama? Mama, I don't see North Star.
You can't.
The building is straight
That
in there
did-
with the brown front.
Okay, there's a
Ferry
ducky.
way behind the brown front building. That's it.
Bobby. Bobby. Look at Mommy. Where are we? Where are we? You see a duck? Look at that duck. What does a duck say?
Papa, I found the
What does a cow say?
I found the shark.
What does
I
a kitty
caught
cat
Where?
say?
That's him. That's
What does a
exactly
bear
the fish that
say?
you caught. You're right.
And that's
That's
Rawr.
right.
What does a snake say?
This was wild. Shark was
What does a
wild,
pig say?
wasn't it?
That's a sheep. What does a hippopotamus say?
Eel.
What are you looking at?
Okay, Papa has you, and I'm going to look this way.
Papa?
Okay.
Papa, the ferry boat I think is about to leave. Hey, Papa. I think...
What I'll do is I'll make a right and we'll go parallel